Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily connect Zendrop to your Shopify store. If you're looking to streamline your dropshipping business and increase your profits, this is a must-watch video. Stay tuned to learn how to seamlessly integrate Zendrop into your Shopify store and start selling high-quality products today. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. As an example, Google Chrome, Opera, Brave like me, Firefox, or I don't know, any other browser you're using. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type shopify.com and hit the enter button. That should take you to the Shopify main screen or home screen right away. Of course, if you have an account, make sure to go and click at login here at the top right corner. Once you click on it, you'll be able to enter your email. And of course, you can even log in with your Apple account or Facebook account or Google account. If you don't have an account, you have to simply click at this Get Started if you are new to Shopify. Simply, you can create a Shopify ID by email, Apple, Facebook, or Google. Of course, by proceeding, you agree to the terms and conditions and privacy and policy. So make sure to read them both before you do anything so you don't have any conflicts in the future. So here for me, I'm just going to click at continue with email. And of course, here, I will have to enter my email. So here, when I finish my things, as you can see, I will be good to create my Shopify ID by clicking a simple click right here after I fill everything. Of course, I can save if I don't want to keep filling those one after the another. And of course, I can create a store right now if I want by simply clicking at this option. Of course, you can answer their questions if you want, or you can skip all of them if you don't want to get through this. Click on next, choose an account. It's going to be this. So now let's just wait for this until it loads. It should not take a lot of time. Here is it. It's loading right now. And here we are. Here is our account. We successfully created our account. And of course, you'll have to complete this setup guide if you want to start selling on Shopify. If you want, you'll have to add your first products, customize your online store, add pages to your store, organize your store navigation, then add a custom domain, and of course, name your store, then set up a payment provider. Now, of course, we'll go and create our account on Zendrop. So just go open a new tab and type Zendrop, or you can type zendrop.com, which will take you to the home screen right away. So of course here you'll have to click on login if you have an account again, and make sure to enter your email and password and click on remember me if you don't want to keep logging in every time you come. If you don't have an account, make sure to click on sign up. And as you can see here, simply create your account by adding your first name, last name, email, password, and phone number, and accept the team's terms and conditions. So make sure to read all of them so you don't have any conflicts with them in the future. Once you finish with creating your account here, so of course now we will need another website called Zapier. So simply go and type zapier.com and hit the enter button on a new tab. And of course here, if you have an account again, just go and log in into your account. And by clicking at login, you can log in with your email or SSO or Microsoft account, Facebook account, Google account, or if you don't have an account, click on sign up. And here you'll be able to sign up or create an account with you, of course, by simply filling your work email, first name, last name, click on get started for free, or you can again sign up with your Facebook or Microsoft, which we'll do here actually. So let's just do this. I'm not a robot. Continue. So here they require a phone number. Let me just fill my phone number and I'm coming back to you. So once you created your account or you logged in into your account, of course, if you created your account, you'll of course be asked some questions. So make sure to answer those questions. It will not be a big trouble, of course, for you. You can skip this if you want. And of course, this application will help you connect your Zendrop to your Shopify store. So simply here, you can go and search for the app Zendrop as an example here. So as you can see, when I type Zendrop here, there is no search found. But when I type Shopify, as you can see, I find it right away here. So this was the first example, and it's actually a failure. So let's just go back now into Shopify. So once you get back here, of course, Zapier would make everything easier for you and you will not have to do a lot of complicated stuff. But once you are here, of course, go once you get back into your Shopify, and of course, as we said, make sure to complete this setup guide. Just go to this left panel and click on Add App. Once you're here, you will have to click Add Shopify App Store. And once you are here, of course, simply go to this top option, Search App, Guides, and More. Here, you'll have to type your Zendrop as an example and click on it. And as you can see, we'll find the Zendrop right away here. So simply click on it. And as you can see, you'll be able to add your app and connect it to the Shopify. As you can see, you'll have to install the app if you want to connect it. So make sure to install the app. And let's just wait for it until it's installed. So as you can see, that will take you right away to your page. So here, simply go and enter the number of your account as well as the password, and make sure to confirm the password. Once you do that, just go back and you'll find the apps connected to each other, and you will find Zendrop right here. And of course, when you go now to home, everything that you make on Shopify will be made into Zendrop as well. And you will find, of course, the Zendrop as well here. Of course, if you have any questions or any complicated stuff, something that you didn't know, you can always go to the top right corner here and you can use the help center if you, like as an example, got stuck in something. So as you can see, there's a lot of forms here that you can use. And of course, you can even hire a Shopify expert if you don't want to get any trouble and you maybe have some money that you would like to invest in your shops in Shopify. So you can hire an expert that can do everything for you. So you'll have just to pay him, or you can use just the comment section down below and I will try to answer you as soon as possible. So by now, you should have a clear understanding of how to connect Zendrop to your Shopify store. With this integration, you'll have access to top quality products, efficient order fulfillment, and increased profits. So start using Zendrop today and take your dropshipping business to the next level. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you in the next video. So thank you guys again for watching this tutorial, and goodbye.